Okay, St. Patty's Day is behind us. We are looking forward to spring, even though there is snow on the ground. Gotta take the good and the bad, right? So I'm shooting for a springy cocktail for today, and that is going to be our lychee or lychee. Both are correct pronunciations, darn it. Our lychee rose martini. For this cocktail, it is a shaken cocktail, so we're going to need our shaker tins, our jigger for accurate measurement. This is going to be going in a martini glass. We are going to need 2 lychee or lychee. There's a whole disagreement about how you pronounce this. I looked it up, and both are wildly accepted pronunciations. So however I say it is how I'm going to say it. Oh, darn it. Anywho, you need fresh squeezed lime juice. You do need to reserve some of the lychee syrup as well, so make sure you have some of that. And then we're going to be using an Elderflower Rose Gin for this cocktail. As always, the ingredient list is going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right along with me. So we are going to start with our 2 lychees, whatever they're called. So these are going to go directly into our shaker tin, and we are going to muddle those lightly. You don't want to pulverize them. You just want to release some of the juice coming from the actual fruit. So don't go crazy with it. And then we are going to do 1.5 ounces of our lychee syrup that we reserved. Ooh, I'm just gonna barely, I just had enough. Holy smokes, look at me go. And then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of our fresh squeezed lime juice, and then 2 full ounces of our Elderflower Rose Gin. Woo. All right. So then, as always, we are going to fill our shaker tin all the way up to the top with ice, and we are going to shake for roughly 15 to 20 seconds or until it is ice cold in our hands. So aggressive. Ooh, oh, it smells so good. If you've never had a lychee, you are totally missing out. They are so good. They're kind of like a mix between like a pear and a grape. I really don't know how else to describe it, but it's so good and it smells amazing. All right, so again, remember, we used our fresh lime juice, so we are going to want to use our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer, and this is going to go directly into our martini glass. Oh, look at the color. Isn't that gorgeous? Pinky, little pink hue to it. All right, we're going to set that off to the side. And then I saved one of our little lychee fruit here. Oh, I'm going to try to keep it all together. And that is what we're going to use for our garnish. Just going to set it right on top there. And there you have it. You have our lychee rose or lychee rose martini. Don't forget, guys, if you enjoy the cocktail, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm apparently being told that I need to actually taste my cocktails.
Sip it. Drink it.
I'm going to drink the cocktail. Well, now I'm scared to. There's a skewer in my face. Oh, yeah, that's really good. Kind of got like a grapefruity taste to it. So if you enjoy grapefruit, this will be like right up your alley, even though there's no grapefruit in it. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you tried out the cocktail, if you do, or if you want to see a cocktail in particular on the channel. Until the next pour, cheers.